Hello, I am Nikoleta Stamataki, a second-year PhD student at the University of Manchester, and this is my research. Most experts agree that some added sugars in our diets is okay, but are we maybe consuming too much? The Public Health England's report states that children consume 15.6% of their total energy intake in the form of sugar, and the respective percentage in adults is 11.5%. Consuming too much sugar is closely associated with becoming overweight, which in turn increases the risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. For the above reasons, the Scientific Advisory Committee on Nutrition now recommends that we should not get more than 5% of the total energy intake from sugars, which for an adult woman corresponds to only 25 grams. Food industry has heard the message and has considerably reduced the amount of sugar in various foods and beverages, mainly through the use of non-nutritive sweeteners which provide sweet taste and little or no calories. The widespread use of non-nutritive sweeteners has been accompanied by concerns regarding their long-term impact on health. Consumption of non-nutritive sweeteners has been associated with obesity, type 2 diabetes, and glucose intolerance in large epidemiological studies. However, these studies cannot show whether their use affects health outcomes or whether people with obesity, type 2 diabetes, and other diseases are more likely to consume non-nutritive sweeteners. My research focuses on metabolic responses, what happens to our body after we consume non-nutritive sweeteners. Research so far has shown that adding non-nutritive sweeteners in our tea, for example, does not influence our blood sugar levels, since they do not contain any energy. Although a large number of single-dose postprandial human studies have shown no effect of non-nutritive sweeteners consumption on blood glucose levels, data from long-term studies under real-life conditions are limited. Our research, supported by pump priming funding of the N8 AgriFood, will evaluate the glucose tolerance in healthy people after 3 months of daily non-nutritive sweeteners consumption. Addressing this research question will make an important contribution to our knowledge regarding metabolic effects of non-nutritive sweeteners. The potential impact is on public health, on consumer, and to inform the food and beverage industry regarding the production of safe and nutritious products, which is also one of the N8 AgriFood goals. Thank you very much for listening.